Hello, my friends. This is Mariana Crawford, and this is another episode of Glam MC and the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. Today I have a Sephora play that I wanted to show you guys. This is the insert that came in today's. It's called Festival Beauty Vibe. Have you ever been to one? Not sure, nope. How do you feel about glitter? I don't know what this is about, but yeah, festival. And I see here we have an after party plum. Ooh, I like this one. A long lasting waterproof eye pencil and unexpected plum shade. Oh, that's awesome. Kale and green tea spinach vitamins age prevention cleanser. We have a cleanser. We have your claim to stain. Age Murad Age Reform Invisiblur Protecting Shield Broad Spectrum 30. A sunscreen primer combo that fights against aging while blurring imperfections. Both Bohemian Matte Sody. Sephora collection, a silky lip stain in deep purple. That's perfect for today because I have a perfect outfit for it. Let the Good Times oil. This is a fizz defying hair oil that delivers essential nutrients to your strands. And we have the Frizz Fighters, one of a kind individually packed hair sheets that rid your hair of frizz, and add a lovely scent on the go. Okay, so this is the bag. I'm just gonna. This is the Murad Invisiblur Moisturizing Primer. 94% sought improved smoothness and texture. I'm gonna use that. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Age Prevention Cleanser. This is to clean your face. I have a pencil of this in black, this one, and it's one of my favorites for the waterline because it stays put all day long. So I'm really glad that I got this one. This one's in a plum shade. So this is a very good addition. I really like these Sephora collections eye pencils. They're really, really good. So if you haven't tried it, you should definitely check it out. Oh, look. I really like this. I'm going to definitely wear that today. This is VIB Ghost Oil Soothing Moringa Blend. Ooh, weightless hair oil. They're putting moringa now in hair products. That's crazy. Okay, so and the little extra item, they usually give perfume, but they gave this now. This is anti-frizz hair sheet. Quickly tame frizz and add shine with these one-of-a-kind, travel-friendly smoothing sheets. Works like hair oil, smells like expensive perfume. Oh, that's pretty awesome. I'd totally put that in my purse just to have it for just in case. Especially today, because I put a lot of product in my hair today. And then this one right here is the Sephora Rouge Cream Lip Stain. So I'm going to be using this one and the primer. So the Sephora plate comes for $10. I'm going to use the Invisiblur. It's a $10 box, and you get like new things that Sephora is coming out with to try and see if you like it. It smells good. Has a light scent to it. I like that a lot. Right, so that's the Murad Invisiblur. Now I'm gonna put on my foundation really quickly. Put my Shape Tape on. This is Tarte Shape Tape, and I usually use this for concealing the under eyes, around the eyes, and the center of my face. And this also brightens the under eye and brightens the middle part of the face, which is what I wanted to do. I'm going to use my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I use MAC Fix Plus to wet it and then put it all over my face. And I just dab it into the skin to blend the product. You don't have to rub it. Okay. So that just gave a little bit of coverage around the center of my face and brightened it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques contour brush to contour my face. And I'm going to be using my Shade and Light contour. I use the cool tone shade to contour my face. Go from the top of my ear down towards my mouth. And contour my jawline. And the perimeter of my face. I put it into the hairline to cover all that white. I'm going to use a small brush to contour my nose. Okay, so now that that is contoured, I'm gonna go ahead and use use this brush right here. This is the Lexi 207, and I'm gonna take the light shade here, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Shape tape and put it on my eyelids. I'm gonna use by Pores Pressed by It Cosmetics, and this is a translucent. And I'm just gonna use this to press it into my pores. Set my eyes. Alright, next, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of bronzer. Forgot the bronzer. I contoured but didn't bronze. This is the bronze. Okay. Now that I'm bronzed, I can put on a little bit of blush. And for blush, Pretty Vulgar. This is from my Boxycharm. Put a little tiny bit of that on the sides of my cheeks. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil to darken up my brows and fix them a little bit. I'm brushing the hairs upward to see the gaps. And I just fill them in. Okay, I'm going to take a look at this palette, the Tarte Toasted palette. I'm going to use a little bit of these shades to do my face. I'm going to use Latte, which is the one on the bottom, as a transition. I'm going to put that all over the crease and a little bit above. In windshield wiper motions. I'm going to take a small brush. This one is the Step 1 for the Money from Vintage. I'm going for the sparkly shade right here. The sparkly shade I'm going to put on the inner corner. And in the first part of the eye on the lid. Alright, it smells like chocolate. It smells great. The M506, very small blending Morphe brush. And I'm going to use this purple shade very lightly for the outer V. Next, I'm going to take this terracotta color, the maroon color, and put that on top of the purple. In the middle. So I'm putting that in the crease. On top of the purple. And bringing it all the way over. To deepen up the crease a little bit. Okay, so I'm putting that in the middle of the eye, right here, between the purple and the shimmery shade on the lid. Right in the middle. Okay, I'm taking a little bit more of the purple. And deepening up that outside a little bit more. Just to give it a little bit more intensity because it's very, very light and I want it to show more. Now, going back to the maroon color, put it more on the crease, right on top of the lid where the purple is, and deepening up that crease. It's a lot of building. Now that looks a little bit more intense, like I like it, I'm going to take my M433 blending brush, make sure there's no excess, and use a little bit of the, this is the one that I started with, the transition shade. Use a little bit of that transition shade and put it right on top of the maroon color. And just blend it with it. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of the shimmery shade, wet, and put it on top. I'm going to wet the brush. I'm going to use the shade right here. And intensify it. Okay. Now, that is it for that. I'm going to use a little bit of the new Sephora pencil on the waterline. And this is the like the same color as the dark purple that I put on the outer V. Same color on the waterline. Okay. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going to use the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. Now for the Sephora lip cream. This is an Easter color. I don't like it. Doesn't go right with what I'm wearing. I don't like it. I'm gonna use Christiana Ann's. I have to say it's really comfortable on the lips though. It dries down and it doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips, which is nice. Okay, that's it. That is the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you in my next video.